Hey guys, Jew here, Jubal Coach Center. Today I'm going to show you my new flashlight from keysmart nano nano torch twist uh, flashlight from keysmart. I put the link in the description below of their website if you are interested to purchase this cool durable uh, nano flashlight. So these are its feature. This is its button. Then the the head will twist, as you can see, nano torch twist. You can twist its head light like this, it to form like the military flashlight, where you can insert in your side pocket of your shirt. There's a clip here, you can clip this to the pocket of your shirt, and also in the pocket of your jeans, so you can clip this one on your hat. So this is one of its feature. From its title, nano torch twist, you can twist the headlight. Let's put it back to its normal. This one also have the brightness is uh, bright, medium, and low, and also SOS it will flash. So we're going to test it outside, and this is also its uh, charger. It is a USB. You will take out the battery, as you can see here. There's a battery inside, a rechargeable battery. You remove it, then there's a slot USB port of the in the battery. You insert this USB in the battery and then plug it in your desktop if you want to charge this nano torch twist flashlight. So it's made up of platinum to ni ma'am, titanium. It's made up of titanium metal. Very handy. So let's going to test it outside so that you can see uh, its brightness. So to turn on the flashlight, long press. I think this is medium. This is bright, medium, low. Then there's also an SOS. You just press, long press, the light will flash. See? This is the SOS. It will flash. Let's get it back to normal. Low, medium, bright. This is the brightest. So it has 3 stages: bright, medium, and low. So for me, this is very helpful for me because during night time. Sometimes when I'm breeding koi fish, I have my video is not clear because the light of the phone is not as bright as this one. So when I'm taking a video of my koi fish breeding, the koi fish is not clear. The koi fish that are spawning in the breeding tank is not clear. Also, this is also helpful when I check my Daphnia magna culture population since they are attracted to bright light. Let's test it. See, the Daphnia are gathering, they are attracted to the light. Let's just wait for the others. You can see they are now slowly swarming, gathering near the bright light. So this is very helpful for me so that I can check their population of my Daphnia magna culture is still healthy. They're gathered, guys. So if you are interested to purchase this flashlight, nano flashlight from Keysmart, I put the link in the description below of their website. You can purchase it for 59 US dollar. Check out on their website. Also, there's also a warranty, including warranty on this flashlight. You can activate it on their website. They can ship anywhere in the country. So check out in the link in the description below. So this is it for now, guys. For those new watching in my video, please hit like and subscribe and hit that red bell notification for you to be updated to my new videos. If you have also questions about koi fish breeding, koi fish care, and other fish concerns, koi fish health, and other fishes, feel free to leave in the comment section. Bye for now, guys. See ya.